Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. Cheesy sausage continues to evolve with modern cooking styles while keeping its classic comforting taste. Stay tuned for part 2. Another reason for the popularity of cheesy sausage is its adaptability to different cuisines. Around the world, cooks incorporate local ingredients and traditions into cheesy sausage recipes. Some versions feature spicy seasonings, while others emphasize herbs, vegetables, or specialty cheeses. These regional variations demonstrate the universal appeal of combining sausage and cheese. Despite cultural differences, people everywhere appreciate foods that provide comfort, flavor, and satisfaction. Cheesy sausage successfully fulfills all of these qualities while allowing for endless creativity and customization. The texture of cheesy sausage contributes significantly to its appeal. The contrast between juicy sausage and melted cheese creates a pleasant eating experience that keeps people coming back for more. Depending on the preparation method, additional textures can be introduced through crispy pastry, toasted bread, or roasted vegetables. These combinations make each bite interesting and enjoyable. Food is often appreciated not only for its flavor but also for how it feels when eaten, and cheesy sausage excels in delivering a satisfying texture profile. Cheesy sausage can also be paired with a wide variety of side dishes and accompaniments. Fresh vegetables can provide balance and contrast to the richness of the sausage and cheese. Potatoes, rice, pasta, and salads are common pairings that transform cheesy sausage into a complete meal. Different sauces can further enhance the flavor experience by adding sweetness, tanginess, heat, or creaminess. These pairings allow individuals to customize their meals according to personal preferences and dietary needs. For many people, cheesy sausage represents comfort food at its finest. Comfort foods often evoke feelings of warmth, nostalgia, and happiness because they are associated with positive memories and familiar experiences. The rich flavors and satisfying nature of cheesy sausage make it a classic comfort food choice. Whether enjoyed during a family dinner, a casual gathering with friends, or a quiet evening at home, cheesy sausage has the ability to create a sense of contentment and enjoyment that goes beyond simple nourishment. Modern food trends have also influenced the evolution of cheesy sausage. Health-conscious consumers have inspired the development of leaner sausages, reduced fat cheeses, and plant-based alternatives. These innovations allow more people to enjoy the flavors they love while accommodating different lifestyles and dietary preferences. The continued popularity of cheesy sausage demonstrates its ability to adapt to changing tastes and consumer demands while maintaining the qualities that made it beloved in the first place. Food presentation has become increasingly important in today's digital world, and cheesy sausage is often featured in social media content because of its visual appeal. The sight of melted cheese stretching from a freshly cooked sausage creates an image that attracts attention and generates excitement. Food enthusiasts frequently share creative cheesy sausage recipes online, inspiring others to experiment with new ingredients and techniques. This online exposure has contributed to the ongoing popularity of cheesy sausage among both home cooks and professional chefs. The economic accessibility of cheesy sausage is another factor behind its widespread appeal. Many versions can be prepared using affordable ingredients that are readily available in grocery stores. This accessibility allows people from various backgrounds to enjoy cheesy sausage without requiring expensive or hard-to-find products. The ability to create satisfying meals using simple ingredients has always been an important aspect of successful recipes, and cheesy sausage exemplifies this principle. As food preferences continue to evolve, cheesy sausage remains a timeless favorite because it successfully combines flavor, convenience, versatility, and comfort. From breakfast tables to party platters, from simple home kitchens to professional restaurants, cheesy sausage continues to delight people around the world. Its enduring popularity reflects the universal appreciation for foods that are both satisfying and enjoyable. Whether prepared using traditional recipes or modern innovations, cheesy sausage remains a delicious reminder that some of the best meals are built upon simple ingredients combined in creative and flavorful ways. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.